Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss the source transformation and the concept of dummy element to solve any complicated electrical network.
Electrical voltage source, this resistance is in series, and in case of practical current source, its internal resistance is in parallel. So this is the basic rule of the practical voltage source and practical current source. Now we have to understood what is the concept of dummy element here. So I am considering one diagram here. You can see. So what we observed here is that this resistance, whose value is R, is now connected in parallel with the voltage source. Okay, but if you see that ideally the resistance should be connected in series with the source. Okay, but here you can observe that resistance comes in parallel. So definitely this is not the correct circuit. The correct circuit is this one. I have already marked the tick here. This is the correct circuit. So definitely this circuit is not a correct circuit. Why? Because the resistance should come in series with the voltage source. Here what we have seen that the resistance is coming in parallel. Okay. So definitely this resistance R is actually treated as dummy element. Okay, I hope you understand what is the mean by dummy element. If the any element or resistance is come in parallel with a voltage source, then that resistance is treated as a dummy element, and that can be removed from the circuit. Okay, so when we remove that circuit, what will be our answer? We will be see like this. Your answer is like this. This is B point and this is A point. Plus minus V. Okay, so I have removed this, and this will be the now correct answer, and you can see that this source is called as ideal voltage source. Right? So you can see here, by just removing the voltage source, the resistance in series in parallel with the voltage source, the resistance is converted into ideal voltage source. So this is the basic concept of voltage source. Now in the similar way, if we have this type of resistance, where you can see that it is a current source, fine, and resistance is R here. Okay, so you can see here that the resistance is inter resistance coming in series with the current source, but ideally it should be coming parallel. Okay, so you can see that this resistance is actually a dummy element because it come in a series. Practically it should be come in a parallel. So I will say this is the dummy element, and I have told you that if in your circuit, if there is any dummy element, you can remove that dummy element. Okay, so your fifth point, this is B point, and this will be the value of I, and this type of is called as ideal current source. Right? So you can see that if the resistance which is come in parallel with the in series with the current source, we can easily convert that source into the ideal current source. So here I have told you the basic concept of the sources, the dummy element, where the actually the resistance come should in series with the practical voltage source, the resistance come should in parallel with the current source, but if the reverse position will occur, means resistance come in parallel with the voltage source, so we will remove that dummy element and your circuit will look like this. Okay. And if we have a resistance in series with the current source, then we will be remove that dummy element and your circuit will be like this, and that is called as, here is that this 3 ohm, what this 3 ohm represent? This 3 ohm is actually here representing the dummy element. Okay. Why? Because it comes in parallel with the voltage source. We know that. Ideally, it should be come in series, but this will come in parallel. That's why it will be treated as dummy element. Similarly, you can see here is that this 2 ohm also. This 2 ohm resistance also is a dummy. Why it is dummy? Because this is also a dummy element. Because this will come in series with the current source. So if the value is if any resistance come in series with the current source, so it will be treated as a dummy element. So after removing that, okay, so in the first step, what we will do, remove all the dummy elements. So after removing all these dummy element, what will be the answer that we have to see? Okay, so this resistance will go, so this 10 and this will be in coming like this. So this value is 10 they have given, and this is plus minus 10 volt. Fine. This circuit will be as it is because this is voltage. So you can see that this sign represent it is a AC source. Okay, and value is plus value is plus J10. J is an imaginary term. Fine. So rest of the circuits are same. So this value is 10 ohm. This is the AC. So remaining are DC, but this value is DC. Value is J10 volt. Fine. And this 2 will be go, or this will be eliminated, and remaining is only the current source whose value is come out to be 7 ampere. Right. So this will be the circuit after the removing the dummy element. Okay. So you can see that after removing the dummy element, we will get this answer. Now we will solve. Now, so now this is a practical, this will be the practical voltage source, this will be the practical voltage source, and this is the ideal current source. Fine. So now circuit is modified. So what we will do, we will first find out the connection. This is a which type of connection. So just by observation you can see that this is the parallel connection. So if there is a parallel connection, what we will do, we will convert all the voltage sources into a current sources. Okay. So what we will do in the step 2, convert voltage source into current source. Okay, because the connection is parallel. If it was series, then all sources must be the voltage source. So after that I will be drawing like this. So this will be a, so first I will convert this one. So this will be look like this. This is the B point. So now this become current source. I can use a box also. So what will be the value of current here? Current value is voltage by resistance. So it is 10 upon 10. So answer is 1 ampere. Fine. You can see that the value is 10. Here is 10. Fine. Okay. 10 is given. Yes, 10 is given. Okay. And now that 10 ohm resistance is come in parallel. So this 10 ohm resistance come in parallel. Similarly, we have to convert this also. Fine. So and its resistance come is in parallel. Value of the resistance is 10. Fine. Now this will become current source. Okay. So what will be the value of current source? Here, इसका value कितना? What will be value? It is J10 by 10. So answer is J1 ampere. Fine. So answer is J1 ampere. Fine. So this will be J1. And this source, the last one, will be as it is. Like this. Fine. 7 ampere. Now what I have done, I have converted all the voltage sources into current sources. Now you can see that there are three current sources here. So this is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Okay. So all these three current sources are connected in parallel. And we know that when there are current sources connected in parallel, what we will do? Just combine all the current sources. So in the third step, what we will do? Combine all the current sources. So after combining this, I will get this answer. Okay. So arrow is upward because larger current is this one. This value of resistance is 10 as it is. Another resistance we have whose value is also 10. So what is total I? Current is 7 ampere. So I will take the direction of that one. 7 ampere. Okay. So what will be the answer? 7, and these two are in opposite direction. So 7 minus 1 minus J1. So what will be the current value? Current value is 6 minus J1 ampere. Right? And now you can see that these two resistances are in parallel. These two resistances are in parallel. So what we have to do? We have to solve these two resistances. So your last answer will be like this. So this value is 6 minus J1 ampere, and when you solve this means 10 parallel with 10. So what will be the R equivalent? 10 into 10 upon 10 plus 10. So answer is 5. 100 by 20. Fine. So this will be your source transfer. But in this question, what they have asked? They have asked your answer in voltage form. So what we will do? We will simply convert above network into voltage source. So we know about the voltage source, series. Okay. So now this value is 5. This is plus minus V. So how you get the voltage? Current into resistance. So 5 into 6 minus J1. So answer is 30 minus J5 volt. So no need to convert this into another form. So this will be your answer. So what we get after the conversion, the value of R equivalent is 5 ohm, and answer of V equivalent is 30 minus J5 volts. Right? So in that way, I have find out the source transformation numerical. Okay.